These are the models that have anchored Honda's reputation globally, machines so over-engineered that they've become the gold standard for bulletproof reliability, holding their value with a stubbornness that makes them a dealer's dream. Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal the 10 legendary bikes from Honda's archive that simply refuse to die. We'll cover the single-cylinder workhorse that powered a revolution, the early inline-4 that changed the performance landscape forever, and the heavy-hitter tourer whose flat engine is still cruising long after the competition rusted away. If you're looking for the ultimate forever bike, the one you can trust for life, you need to stick around to see which machine tops this list. Go ahead and drop a like on this video and subscribe to Rider Archive right now because your next motorcycle decision depends on this list. Number 10. Honda CBR 600 F4i, the underrated supersport. It's almost a contradiction to call a high-revving, liquid-cooled supersport a reliability icon, but the CBR 600 F4i, particularly the fuel-injected version, stands as a testament to Honda's capacity for building a performance machine with a backbone of cast iron. While its peers were temperamental divas requiring constant attention, the F4i took the abuse of track days, hard commuting, and even mild touring without ever flinching. The inline-4 engine is famous for its smooth, linear power delivery, but its real legend lies in its bomb-proof bottom end, and the fact that its maintenance intervals felt almost optional to many owners. I've seen F4i models roll in with well over 50,000 miles, and I mean hard miles, that only needed a basic service to pass muster. It was the perfect blend of race-bred technology and real-world durability, a design choice that Honda never truly matched in its subsequent, more track-focused generations, making this era a unique find. What really solidified its legacy was the engine's willingness to forgive the mistakes of its owners, but its durability is still second place to the next bike, which created a whole new class of dependable adventure riding. Number 9. Honda CRF 300L, the modern dual-sport tank. The CRF 300L and its venerable 250cc predecessor represents the absolute zenith of modern small-displacement reliability in the dual-sport segment. This is the machine that truly embodied the trail-to-pavement philosophy without compromise, all thanks to an engine that is fundamentally understressed and engineered for a life of continuous low-cost abuse. Its single-cylinder architecture is the very definition of simplicity, running cool and strong whether it's battling city traffic or crawling over rocky terrain, where other, more complex adventure bikes fear to tread. The build quality on these is consistently excellent. The plastics are tough, the frame is resilient, and the basic maintenance is straightforward enough for any owner to handle in their garage, which significantly contributes to its longevity and desirability in the used market. It is a dual sport that asks for nothing more than fresh oil and minimal fuss, making it the perfect entry point for new riders and the reliable backup for experienced veterans. Yet this bike's incredible simplicity pales in comparison to the single machine that is statistically the most durable vehicle ever created by humankind. Number 8. Honda Rebel 500, the twin that just keeps ticking. The modern Rebel 500, and the parallel twin engine it shares with the CB 500 series, is the foundation of Honda's current reputation for beginner-friendly, bulletproof reliability. This 471cc motor is a masterclass in modern engineering efficiency, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and tuned to produce ample, usable torque without ever pushing its internal components anywhere near their breaking point. What makes the Rebel engine a mechanical marvel in the cruiser class is its complete lack of complexity. There are no delicate cam chains to worry about, no complex valve adjustments required every few thousand miles, just a simple, well-balanced unit that runs with metronomic precision. I've watched these bikes accumulate mileage at an astonishing rate, serving as daily commuters, learning tools, and even light tours, and they simply shrug it off. Its low maintenance requirements and near-zero failure rate mean that used Rebels are aggressively sought after, always retaining a disproportionate amount of their original value. But for a true lesson in over-engineering, we need to turn the clock back to the machine that set the standard for the modern Japanese four-cylinder engine. Number 7. Honda CB 750, the original superbike. When the CB 750 hit the market in 1969, it wasn't just a powerful motorcycle, it was the birth of the universal Japanese motorcycle UJM. And crucially, it established the inline-4 as a platform for reliability, not just performance. Prior to this, performance often meant maintenance nightmares, but Honda changed the game by building an engine that was robust, oil-tight, and capable of hundreds of thousands of miles with simple upkeep. It featured electric start, a 5-speed transmission, and a hydraulically actuated front disc brake, all features that were incredibly advanced for the time, yet Honda engineered them with such depth that they simply never failed. The air-cooled motor is iconic, capable of being torn down and rebuilt countless times, often without needing new parts beyond gaskets and rings. This bike earned its legendary status because it made powerful riding accessible and dependable to the masses, a formula Honda would later perfect in the touring segment, with a machine whose engine is renowned for its bank vault solidity. Number 6. Honda Super Cub, the world's unbreakable vehicle. If you want a machine that absolutely refuses to quit, you cannot look past the Super Cub, the single most produced motor vehicle in history, with over 100 million units sold. The Cub's survival is not accidental. It's a design triumph built entirely around the concept of durability and simplicity. Its air-cooled horizontal single-cylinder engine is a paragon of understressed engineering, designed for regions with poor roads, minimal mechanical expertise, and often neglected maintenance. It famously features a clutchless semi-automatic transmission, simple enough for anyone to ride, but fundamentally robust enough to handle the non-stop daily grind of transportation globally. There are Cubs still running today, decades later, that have been powered by nearly anything resembling oil, and have been dropped, abused, and neglected in every conceivable way, yet they still fire up and putter down the road. It's the ultimate expression of reliability, but the next bike is the one that proved Honda could make a true world-class adventure machine that could cross continents without a hitch. Number 5. Honda Africa Twin, original XRV 650-750-750. The original Africa Twin from the late 80s and 90s is the bike that wrote the book on adventure touring reliability, forging its reputation in the brutal crucible of the Dakar Rally. Unlike many modern high-strung adventure bikes, the XRV models were built around an incredibly durable, low-maintenance V-twin engine designed for continuous hard use, far from any mechanic. Its robust perimeter frame, quality suspension components, and simplicity of design made it a favorite for round-the-world travelers. The 750cc engine is particularly known for its smooth, consistent power delivery and lack of major weak points, proving that reliable performance doesn't have to be boring. In the used market, the original Africa Twins command a serious premium because their reputation precedes them. They are the benchmark for a machine that can genuinely handle the worst conditions the planet can offer. Its legacy of enduring the toughest rides is only outmatched by the next machine, which has been performing flawlessly in its category for over 4 decades. Number 4. Honda VFR 800, the gear-driven cam era, the sports touring workhorse. To a true enthusiast, the VFR line, particularly the RC36 and RC46 generations, featuring the iconic gear-driven cams, represents the pinnacle of Honda's commitment to over-engineering. Forget chains or belts, the sound of those gears whining is the sound of an engine that is practically maintenance-free and built to run indefinitely. The V4 engine layout itself provides a superb balance of torque and top-end power, but the mechanical simplicity of that gear-driven valvetrain means that once the initial factory build quality is confirmed, the internal integrity of the engine is virtually unassailable. This made the VFR the undisputed king of the sport touring world, capable of track days on Saturday and a cross-country tour on Sunday, all on the same service schedule. The high resale value of these specific years tells the story. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for a machine where the most complex part is actually the most reliable part. However, even the VFR's smooth-running engine can't compete with the supreme comfort and legendary mileage of Honda's flagship tourer. Number 3. Honda Goldwing GL1100, the mileage monster. The Goldwing is the absolute monarch of high-mileage dependability, the kind of machine that makes you realize what over-engineered truly means. Right from the original GL1000 in 1975, Honda introduced the horizontally opposed Flat 4 and later the Flat 6 engine specifically for touring, a configuration that inherently runs smoother, cooler, and with less internal vibration than any V-twin or inline engine its size. This design choice translates directly into reliability, as fewer vibrations mean less wear and tear on every single component, from the engine mounts to the internal transmission gears. Goldwings are famous for easily clearing 100,000 miles, with countless examples hitting 200,000 and even 300,000 miles before needing any serious engine work. When I see a well-kept wing on the floor, I know the mechanical integrity is almost certainly solid, and its longevity is the major selling point, which is something the next cruiser learned very well. Number 2. Honda Shadow VT750 Volvo X600, the true cruiser tank. In the cruiser world, where some bikes are known for style over substance, the Honda Shadow stands alone as the undisputed king of no-fuss, low-cost dependability. The V-twin engine, particularly the 750cc and the venerable 600cc versions, are famous for their rock-solid bottom ends, straightforward carburetor or early fuel injection systems, and shaft drive on many models. The inclusion of a shaft drive alone on a cruiser of this class is a massive boon to long-term reliability and low maintenance, eliminating the common failure point and expense of chain maintenance. This is the bike that riders often buy, ride daily for years, store for a season, pull out, and expect to start right up. And 9 times out of 10 it does. The Shadow's engine is fundamentally simple, low compression, and built to idle along the highway for hours, which is why it has earned the trust of countless riders globally. Its reliability is truly exceptional, but one machine still stands above all others as the single most dependable dual-sport Honda ever created. Number 1. Honda XR650L, the single-cylinder Terminator. There is no other motorcycle in Honda's lineup, or perhaps in any manufacturer's, that embodies the concept of refusing to die quite like the XR650L. This bike is a mechanical anachronism, a massive air-cooled single-cylinder engine that has remained largely unchanged for decades, a true testament to the perfection of its original bomb-proof design. The Big Red Pig is revered by mechanics because its simplicity is its strength. A basic carburetor, a massive combustion chamber, and an engine built with tolerances so wide it can handle almost any type of fuel, altitude, or environmental abuse. I have seen these XRs survive total neglect, massive crashes, and constant brutal off-road work, only to be patched up with a hammer and a wrench and still fire up with that distinctive thump. It's the ultimate dual-sport workhorse, a machine that prioritizes function, simplicity, and unbreakable durability over all else. A bike that will run long after the pavement ends and the modern complex bikes have seized up. The XR650L is the quintessential never say die Honda. There you have it, the 10 Honda machines that have cemented the brand's legacy, proving that reliability is not a feature but a design philosophy. From the continent-crushing comfort of the Goldwing Silky Flat 6 to the track-day resilience of the CBR 600 F4i and the world-beating undying simplicity of the Super Cub and the XR650L, these are the motorcycles that will truly last you a lifetime. For a dealer, a bike with this kind of legendary reputation is a guaranteed sale, because the mechanical integrity is already proven in the eyes of the market. When you buy one of these 10, you are not just purchasing a motorcycle, you are investing in a machine whose engineering ensures it will hold its value and stay on the road year after year with minimal complaint. Now I want to know what you think. Which of these 10 is the true forever bike in your opinion? Drop a comment below.